Welcome to BrewFix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. If your espresso tastes bitter, hollow, inconsistent, or just never as good as it should, there's a high chance your grinder is the real problem. Not your beans, not your machine, not your recipe. As a coffee technician, I repair and diagnose grinders constantly, and I see the same mistakes over and over again. Today, I'm breaking down 7 grinder mistakes that are actively destroying your espresso, and more importantly, how to fix each one so your coffee finally tastes the way it's supposed to. Mistake 1. Ignoring burr alignment. Most grinders leave the factory close to aligned, not perfectly aligned. Over time, vibration, heat, and adjustment will cause burrs to drift even further out of parallel. When burrs aren't aligned, the grinder produces a wide range of particle sizes, fines and boulders at the same time, which leads to over-extraction and under-extraction happening in the same shot. The fix is understanding alignment points and correcting mechanical drift, not endlessly adjusting grind size and hoping for the best. Mistake 2. Grinding old coffee residue into every shot. Old coffee oils and fines build up inside the grind chamber, chute, and burr carrier faster than most people realize. Every fresh dose pushes stale, oxidized coffee into your espresso, dulling sweetness and adding bitterness. This isn't a flavor preference issue, it's chemistry. The fix is regular internal cleaning and purging so only fresh grounds end up in your basket. Mistake 3. Treating grind size as the only variable. Many people think grind size fixes everything. In reality, grind size only works after the grinder is mechanically stable. If the adjustment collar binds, threads are dirty, or burr carriers shift under load, grind size becomes meaningless because it changes mid-grind. The fix is restoring smooth mechanical movement first, then dialing grind size second. Mistake 4. Using worn or damaged burrs without realizing it. Burrs don't need to be visibly destroyed to ruin espresso. Micro wear, chipped edges, or uneven wear patterns can dramatically increase fines production and flatten flavor. Espresso starts tasting muddy, harsh, or lifeless, and people blame beans instead of burr condition. The fix is inspecting burrs properly and replacing them before performance collapses completely. Mistake 5. Ignoring static and retention. Static causes grounds to cling inside the grinder, leading to inconsistent dosing and unpredictable extraction. Retention causes old coffee to mix with fresh doses. Both issues make dialing and feel impossible. The fix is managing static through cleaning, proper humidity, and understanding grinder design limitations, not just tapping the grinder and hoping for consistency. Mistake 6. Letting the grinder overheat. Heat changes grind behavior. Long grinding sessions, dull burrs, or stressed motors raise temperatures inside the grind chamber, increasing fines and altering extraction. This is why espresso suddenly tastes worse halfway through service or after several shots at home. The fix is allowing cool down, maintaining burst sharpness, and avoiding unnecessary grind resistance. Mistake 7. Never calibrating or resetting the grinder. Grinders drift over time. 0 points change, collars loosen, and reference points become meaningless. Without calibration, adjustments become guesswork. The fix is periodically resetting, recalibrating, and confirming that grind settings actually correspond to reality, something professionals do regularly, but home users almost never think about. If your espresso tastes bad, inconsistent, or unpredictable, there's a good chance your grinder is quietly sabotaging every shot. Fixing grinder mistakes doesn't require magic. It requires mechanical understanding. At BrewFix, I document real grinder repairs, alignment fixes, and diagnostic shortcuts so coffee lovers, baristas, and technicians can stop guessing and start fixing the real problem. When the grinder is right, everything downstream finally works.